Good morning. This is Dr. Tarek. Today I am going to talk about medical terminology for phlebotomist. The first medical term is cardi. Cardi means heart. Cardiology, study of disease of the heart. Cardiologist, specialist of the diseases of the heart. Cardiomegaly, enlargement of the heart. Cardial, pertaining to the heart. Arterio, arterio is word root for artery. Arteriostenosis, narrowing of the artery. Arterial necrosis, death of the muscle of the artery. Death of the muscle of the wall of the artery. Phlebo. Phlebo mean vein. Tomy mean cutting into or entering into. So cutting into the vein. Phlebotomy mean cutting into the vein. Athero. Athero mean fatty tissue. And sclero. Sclero mean hardening, abnormal hardening. So atherosclerosis stands for abnormal hardening of the blood vessels. Osis. Osis means abnormal condition. We are not saying infection, cancer or tuberculosis, just abnormal condition. Hemo means blood. Hemato means blood. These are two words used for blood. Hematology, study of the disease of the blood. Hematemesis, vomiting of the blood. Erythro. Erythro means red. Erythrocyte, red blood cell. Leuco means white. Leukocyte, white blood cell. Oma means tumor. Onc means tumor. Both stand for tumor. Lipoma, tumor of the fat. Oncology, study of the cancers. Onc stand for especially cancer. Oncology, study of the cancer. Oncologist, specialist of the cancer. Hemorrhage, rapid blood loss. Rage means hemorrhage. Rapid blood loss. Rhea, rapid fluid loss. Diarrhea, it is fluid discharge or fluid loss from the intestines. Nephro means kidney. Nephritis, infection of the kidney. Nephrectomy, surgical removal of the part of the kidney or whole of the kidney. Nephromegaly, enlargement of the kidney. Veno stand for or ven stand for vein. Venogram, this is X-ray of the vein. Hyper is excessive. Hyperglycemia, blood condition of excessive glucose. Hypertension, high blood pressure. Pressure is high. Hypo means less, below. Hypoglycemia, condition of less glucose in the blood. Hypotension, low blood pressure. U stand for good, normal. Euthyroidism, normal functioning of the thyroid. Euglycemia, normal level of glucose in the blood. Itis, infection or inflammation. It stands for both. Appendicitis, infection of the appendix. Tonsillitis, infection of the tonsil. Gastritis, infection of the stomach. Next word is arthro. Arthro is a word root which means joint. Arthritis, inflammation of the joint. Arthralgia, pain in the joint. Arthroscopy, internal visual examination of the joint. Lip, lip means fat. Lipectomy, surgical removal of the fat. Lipolysis or lipolysis, destruction of the fat. Hyperlipidemia, this is blood condition of high fat in the fat. Blood condition of high fat or high fats in the blood. Ng means blood vessel. Angiography, this X-ray process of doing X-ray of this blood vessel. Algia, algia means pain. Myalgia, muscle pain. Arthralgia, joint pain. Anemia, no blood condition. It means condition of no blood. But this is a misnomer. Actually, it stands for less blood in the body. Anemia. Ischemia. Ischemia is less or deficient blood supply to an area. Anemia is less blood in the body. Ischemia is less blood supply to any particular area. Like myocardial ischemia, less blood supply to the heart. Thrombo means clot. Thrombosis, condition of blood clot. Thrombocyte, clotting cell. Platelets are known as thrombocyte. When there is bleeding, cut in the blood vessel, these are the cells that clot the bleeding and stop the bleeding. Thrombocyte. Embolus. Thrombus is attached with the wall of the blood vessel, but when it detaches from itself, from blood vessel and is moving in the blood, this is known as embolus. Attach is thrombus and detach is embolus. Masto, breast or breast tissue. Mastalgia, pain in the breast. Mastitis, inflammation of the breast. Nocto, night. Nocturnal enuresis, bedwetting. Nephro, kidney. In between, intercellular, between the cell. This is one cell, this is another cell, so these things are between the cell, intercellular. And this is intracellular, it means inside the cell. The particles are inside the cell. Intracellular. Intracellular means inside the cell, and intercellular means in between the cell. Half, hemiplegia. Paralysis, half of the body or one side of the body. Plegia means paralysis. Hemiplegia. Paresis means weakness. Hemiparesis, weakness, one half of the body. It is not full paralysis. This is known as half paralysis. So this is all for today. Please like my videos and subscribe my channel. See you next time with another video. Have a good day. Bye bye.